Why spend millions on rocket fuel when we can just yeet objects into space? That's what a company called Spin Launch is trying to do. Spin a small rocket in a huge centrifuge until it reaches thousands of kilometers per hour, then release it at just the right moment to fling it into space. If it worked, this method would be way cheaper to get objects into space, which would be extremely helpful when we, for example, build a moon base. We're gonna have to send supplies there quite often to sustain it. But like with 90% of aerospace startups, the physics just doesn't work out. First of all, the payload in the centrifuge would be moving so fast that it'd experience up to 10,000 Gs of force, more than enough to crush the sensitive electronics and equipment. Also, regular rockets start slow and only reach high speeds in the thinner parts of the atmosphere. But Spin Launch's design has a projectile going its fastest right at ground level where the air is thickest. That creates a lot of air resistance, making it harder to maintain a stable, straight path. Now, in their test launch video, they did get a projectile almost 30,000 feet into the air, but you can see it tumbling like crazy as it exits. And since that test, Spin Launch hasn't really shared much of an update.